What's up, everybody? I'm back with another 2 deals video, and I got some clearance stuff. Did you hear my voice cry? Clearance! Clearance! That's how the clearance sales are going right now at these stores. So first up, at Home Depot, we have this Blink outdoor system. So here's the thing. Most of this stuff is going to all be in store, okay? Clearly, all in store. I would tell y'all to go visit Bible Gateway. I'm just messing with you. Brickseek. Brickseek. But none of this stuff has been working for me. Like, Brickseek haven't really worked for me the last several times I used it. Like, I could be in the store, go on Brickseek, and it'll say nothing's there, even though I'm looking at the thing. So I just, y'all can use it. Hopefully it works, but it hasn't been accurate for me for a while now. And they make you sign in and do all this extra dumb stuff. So anyway, this is going on at some Home Depots. This Blink outdoor system. I looked at the reviews and it's pretty terrible, but I mean they half off, $189 from $379, and it's like 5 cameras. So there you go with that. I have no experience. Right here, oh dang, did I take a picture of that? I don't know if I did, but right here to the right, there's this Google Nest system, and that was $100 even. And there were 3 mesh Wi-Fi modems over there. That was $100 even. That was a good price. And then we also have this Lincoln welder, $449 marked down from $649, the $125, not the $140, but the $125. Also, some of you might want to go snatch that up. Now we also have, during the Christmas time, we had all these sales on these Husky accessories, all these hand tools and stuff. And a lot of stores just had too many of them, so they're trying to get rid of them so they can clear these aisles. And so instead of it being $49 for this 16-piece ratchet and wrench set, it's now $34. And of course, they come with a lifetime warranty. I like Husky hand tools. If you want to get them online, you can order them for $39. To me, that's worth not driving, honestly, the $5. And I don't know where you live, but it's snowing where I live. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just pay that extra almost $5 to not have to drive anywhere. But if you went in store, you had that as well. Moving on, we also have the 28-piece Husky wrenches that don't ratchet for $21. And if you wanted to, again, just get it online, it's $24.88. So again, you could pay an extra $3.88. That's totally worth not driving. Now, if you got them both, now we're talking about $8.88. And if you live down the street, I think maybe, I don't know, I'll probably go to the store to save $8.88 if you wanted both. But there you go with that as well. Moving on, I want to talk about DaranEner portable power stations, okay? Because it was all over Slick Deals that this popped up. I saw this a few days ago, and I just wanted to let you guys know, don't touch these with a long stick. I mean, if you do, let me just give you the warning signs, okay? So first off, everything on the site is on sale, so that tells me they're probably going out of business. And if you read just the comments, okay, they're pretty terrible, okay? Now, here's one from an old post, and let's see what they had to say about this. This company runs a scam. These batteries are terrible. Be warned. Had one of these, and in 4 months, the battery was dead, wouldn't hold a charge, and lost 10% or more a day without being used. That's normal, 10%, especially if it's on. He might have had it on, but the battery being dead after 4 months, yeah, that could be a thing. I bought this 4 months ago. It took 5 hours to charge. I contacted their customer service department immediately. No reply. That's the thing. Now, this might not be a big deal. Depending on, the input, it could take 5 hours. I've had units that took a long time to charge too, but the big thing is the no reply. Exact same thing here. Battery died in about 2 months. At least you got it. I went through their website and absolutely got no response. I had to go through an hour of Amazon chat with customer service to get my refund. It was so stupid. Let me tell you my personal experience with DaranEner, okay? So I did advertise one of their deals. I don't remember what it was, maybe for their 1500 watt-hour one. And it was like $500 or $300. It was something recklessly cheap. And so I mentioned it, but I told you guys, hey, be warned, no, I don't have any experience with this company. They reached out to me. They saw the video somehow, reached out to me and asked me did I want to collaborate. I said, sure, send me a unit out. I'll test it. And then, you know, if it's good, I'll make a video on it. Because a lot of times I don't make videos for stuff that's just trash. I won't even say anything about it. But they said, well, you know, we don't really want to send anything out. How about you just tell them it's good and we pay you? Needless to say, y'all have not seen the DaranEner video from me, okay? You never heard me talk about it other than that first time, and now I'm telling you about this. I would say be very leery. $7.99 for a 2,000 watt hour unit that produces 2,000 watts is insanely cheap. But just keep all this stuff in mind, and it's brand new. Anyway, if you want to take that route, I'll just leave a link to the Slick Deals page so you can get all of the discounts. But I personally would not recommend them. And I just wanted to comment on that and let you guys know my experience so you don't get hit with the okie doke. You've been warned. Moving on. All right, we have a reciprocating saw from Makita now. Reciprocating saw deals are popping all up now. I just wanted to go through all of them. So if you're in the Makita line and was looking for one, I mean, this deal was live during the holiday season, but I mean, I'm just going over it now because I never talked about it. You can get this if you don't choose to keep the starter pack, which honestly, for the 2.5 amp hour batteries, a charging bag and a reciprocating saw for $199 is a good deal. But if you just want a reciprocating saw to break down to be $88.38, which is super cheap. But again, this thing doesn't have rafter hooks. It doesn't, I don't think that the shoe is clearly not removable. It does pivot though. It has no modes. It does not have an orbital function. You know, so let's check the stroke. The stroke is probably at least 1 1/4 though. Yeah, it does have a good stroke, 1 1/4 stroke, but that's it. All that other stuff, again, I would just go to Menards and get that Metabo HPT. Somebody in the comments go, hey, fanboy. Sir, I clearly outlined the why the Metabo HPT is better. Y'all weird. Anyway, moving on. We have this rigid mid torque. Again, this was live during the holiday season. It's $89.50 when you buy it in conjunction with this starter kit. Now, depending on where you live, you could possibly see this thing just says it's out of stock. But if it does say that, try changing the zip code. You could change it to some Atlanta zip code. This is 30349. You could try that. And then it will then say that it's available for delivery. And then just try to change your address. See what happens. So that's that. You have to buy these two together. $199. Excuse me. $179 for this kit. And you can add one of these things as a free gift as usual during the holiday season. So I also wanted to go ahead and try adding this circular saw, which we did last year. And this thing was breaking down to be $74. Let's see what it is now. This year, that circular saw breaks down to be $86.93. But like last year, if you wait a little bit, you were able to find it on Tools Direct on eBay. Granted, it has no warranty, but it was like $40 or $50 after the 30% off. So there you go with that. Moving on, we also have this Makita, same deal with the reciprocating saw. If you want their circular saw is $88.38. This is a 6.5 inch though. That rigid was a 7 1/4. Big boy right there. And moving on to Milwaukee, we have another deal, another BOGO. So you get this deep cut bandsaw kit with 2 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case on a BOGO. Now, you want to add the most expensive BOGO, which would be another bandsaw. Clearly, you don't need to keep two, so this will be an easy thing to say, oh, I really bought two. I don't know what I was thinking. And return this to the store. But the whole kit breaks down to be $44.18. Now, you might be saying, that's a lot of money. It's not, though. These bandsaws are $3.99 on sale. Like, if you find a good deal, they're $3.99 usually. Adding an extra $5.18 to get 2 batteries, a charger, and a hard case is incredible. All right, incredible. So you have that deal there. But if we go back, you can add several other tools to the bunch. Like I said, there's this other bandsaw, and this is the compact bandsaw. It's not the deep cut. So you see this is $329. Like I said, this is normally $399 on sale itself. So again, that extra $5 is a great deal. Finally, we move on over to Direct Tools. I know you guys love the heated jackets and stuff. Direct Tools has them still 43% off as a kit. So they come with the batteries and the chargers and, of course, the jackets themselves. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you like, subscribe. I know I should say that in the beginning of the video. I just get so excited about the deals I'll be forgetting. So appreciate that I put you guys first. subscribe, share the video with your brethren. Don't be stingy. Let YouTube know that, hey, these are some good deals in this video and I like to share them with my brethren. I'm going to share it out there. Don't be stingy. And I will see you guys next time. They ain't even make no sense.